It's your boy Sen from Speak Fortunes. Today I'll be revealing the Hamster Kombat daily combo cards to earn 5 million Hamster Kombat tokens. And as usual, I'll be guiding you through easy to follow steps so that you'll be able to earn your 5 million Hamster Kombat token even as a beginner. So let's get started. We are currently in the interface of the Hamster Kombat. The first card we need to unlock our 5 million token is the security team. That's the name of the card, and we can find it in the P, arrow, and team section. So we go to P, arrow, and team section, and we scroll down and look for security team. So here we have it, security team, but there's something I need to do. It says I need the two-factor authenticator level 13. So I'm going to look for the two-factor authenticator in order to open the security team card for us to complete the first step. So we need the two-factor authenticator level 13. I have the two-factor authenticator level 1. So I need to purchase this card 12 more times. So let's go. All right. Wait for it to load. 2. I really don't want to make this video long. So we'll keep buying this card. And as you can notice, for every time we purchase the card, the price seems to go higher. So we're purchasing it now the 11th time for $23,000 for 23k, and now we're purchasing it now for 42k. So we'll continue to do it. All right, 80k, the 13th should be the last one. All right, so scroll back to the security team so you can see we've unlocked the security team card. So we're going to purchase it. We're going to claim this card for us to open the first card. So I'll click on go ahead. So there you have it. The first card has been opened. So if we go back, we'll go back to our daily combo interface. The first card that we need has been unlocked. So we've unlocked the first card. Now the second card we'll be needing is the market prediction card, and we will find that one under the market section. So very quickly we just scroll down to look for we're already in the market section. We just look for the market prediction card. There you have it. So we'll click on it and we'll purchase this card. Wait for it to load, and then our second card has been unlocked. So we go back again. Go back again, click on the daily combo icon so you can see the second card has been unlocked. So we go over now to the third one. Now before we look at the third card, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon so you can be updated whenever I post new videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any update from Speak Fortunes. The third card we need to unlock can be found in the legal section, and the name of that card is License Vietnam. The License Vietnam card. That's the third card we need to be able to unlock our daily combo of 5 million tokens. So I'm just going to click on the legal section, and scroll down to look for the Vietnam license, and there we have it, License Vietnam. That's the card we need, and we can see it right here. So I'm just going to click on it and then click on go ahead, and voila, what do you have? We've just made for ourselves an additional 5 million worth of Hamster Kombat tokens. So I'm going to click on take the price, of course, and then if we screw up and check our balance, you see that it has been added to our balance, and right now we have 24 million coins. So it's just about having the right strategy. Daily you can be claiming 6 million worth of tokens every day. And that's it on this video, guys. Till I come your way again, it's your boy Sen from Speak Fortunes. Do have a great one. Bye.